In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail signature with Calendly. Adding a personalized signature to your emails not only looks professional, but also provides recipients an easy way to schedule meetings with you. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to set this up seamlessly. First, you'll want to head over to your Gmail account, and once you're logged in, look for the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear symbol at the top right corner of your Gmail interface. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to a new page with several tabs at the top. Make sure you're in the General tab, as that's where we'll find the signature settings. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Signature. Here, you'll notice an option to create a new signature. Click on Create New, and you'll be prompted to name your signature. Choose a name that you'll easily remember, especially if you plan on creating multiple signatures in the future. Now, in the text box that appears, you'll begin crafting your signature. This is where you'll type in your Calendly booking link. To do this, simply copy your Calendly link from your Calendly account and paste it directly into the text box. This link is a crucial part of your signature, as it allows email recipients to schedule time with you at their convenience. After pasting your Calendly link, you'll want to add some text that encourages people to use it. You might type something like, "Schedule a call with me," or "Let's connect." This makes the link feel more inviting and clear in its purpose. Next, we're going to make this text clickable, transforming it into a hyperlink with a more engaging call to action. Highlight the text you just typed and then look for the link icon in the Signature Editor's toolbar. Clicking this will open a small window where you can paste your Calendly link once again. Once you've done that, click OK. Now, your text should appear as a clickable link that reads something like, "Book a call." Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is crucial, as it ensures your new signature is saved and will be automatically added to your future emails. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Gmail signature with your Calendly link. This simple yet effective addition can make a big difference in how you manage your calendar and communicate with your contacts. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.